Welcome, engineers. Today I'm demonstrating the Rockwell Hardness Conversion Interactive Calculator, an essential tool that solves a critical problem in materials engineering, converting between different hardness measurement scales. When comparing material specifications from various suppliers or international standards, let's examine the calculator inputs. First, you'll see the Select Conversion Mode drop-down menu. This offers 6 options: HRC to other scales, HRB to other scales, HRA to other scales, Brunel HB to other scales, Vickers HV to other scales, and Shore Hardness to Rockwell. For today's demonstration, I'll select HRC to other scales. Below that, you'll find 6 input fields: Rockwell C Hardness HRC, Rockwell B Hardness HRB, Rockwell A Hardness HRA, Brunel Hardness HB, Vickers Hardness HV, and Shore Hardness. There's also a Shore type dropdown with options for Shore A and Shore D. Let me walk through a practical example. I'm working with a hardened steel component specified at 58.5 HRC. After selecting HRC to other scales mode, I'll enter 58.5 in the Rockwell C hardness field and click Convert Hardness Values. The calculator instantly provides all equivalent values. HRB shows as out of range since this hardness exceeds the B scale limit. HRA displays approximately 81.2, Brunel shows 595, and Vickers indicates 653. These conversion results represent equivalent indentation resistance measurements across different testing methods, allowing you to verify material properties regardless of which standard your supplier uses. The material classification output helps confirm you're working with appropriate materials for your application. One critical insight: never extrapolate beyond scale limits. If HRB shows out of range, don't estimate. Use the appropriate scale for your hardness range. Find the link in the description below.